Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a review on the Chef's Choice egg cooker. So here I've got 3 eggs. We're gonna be cooking. I want to make some hard-boiled eggs. So this has got like a metal lid. So this does not come off, but this is like a non-stick surface. We're gonna fill it up to the max line with water. We've got our lever here. This is how we're gonna turn it on and off. I'm gonna be going for hard-boiled eggs, so I'll probably be going all the way up to about 20 minutes. And then we're simply going to put this on here and then put the water in there and then the eggs in here like this. Now this doesn't have anything to poke the eggs, but I definitely want to poke the top side of the egg. There's like the bottom rounded side. I want to poke the top here with a little pinhole, but I don't see anything here that has a little thing to pinhole it. So it does say it's 350 watts. It does have cord storage around the bottom. Okay, so height-wise, you're looking at about 6 1/4 inches. Width, you're looking at about almost 8 inches. Okay, let's put our water in here. Now it does say that holds about 3/4 of a cup of water. Now again, I gotta poke a little hole in the top here. I wanna be careful not to crack it. Oops, yeah, just like that. So now the hole should go up. Here I've got a hole poked in the top, and we'll evenly distribute these around. Okay, got the hole poked in, put it there, got the water on, let's plug it in. Let's rotate the switch. I'm gonna go probably, it looks like the max is about 20, probably about 22 minutes. I like mine good and done. Let's put the cover on and then let's turn it on. There is a little light there to show me that it's on. Okay, so we're gonna time it, see how long it takes. Again, there is a little light there and it's gonna beep at us when it's done. Okay, so we're going on the 17 mark. That's really hot. Be careful. There's a lot of steam coming out this hole right here. So you gotta be really careful of this. It does get really hot. Okay, so right at the 25-minute mark, it starts beeping. Now it's gonna beep until I turn it off. Now be careful, all of this is extremely hot. There's gonna be some hot steam. Okay, those eggs are really, those eggs are really hot. We gotta be careful with them. And there's still just a little bit of water in the bottom. Okay, so the eggs didn't look, they didn't look that good when they were cooked. But once I peeled the shell off, they actually look really good. Yeah, you can see all the eggs. Now let's see if they're actually well done. Okay, it is. All right. So I put a little salt on them. Let's give that a try. That tastes really good. Okay, so it says this can go in the dishwasher. The base unit, you're just supposed to wipe that out. You're not supposed to get that wet down in there. This can go in the dishwasher. It doesn't say if this can or not. So yeah, this would be the perfect egg cooker if it had something to pierce the top of the egg. So I really do like it though that it does well done. The beep goes until you turn it off, and the beep isn't super annoying. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.